Hello everybody and welcome to this spec hunting video at the Hot Wheels vending machine. Okay, we start at the top. We have the blue Volkswagen Beetle, Volkswagen, what is that, the T1? Volkswagen Beetle again. Honda City, Ford Mustang, Honda City, a lot of Honda Cities, the Datsun Fairlady, the Chrome Van, Acura Integra. Ooh, look what's behind the Chrome Van. The Bugatti EB110. Then we have BMW, another Volkswagen Mercury Cougar, Kia Stinger, another Honda City, Land Rover, Dodge Ram, the food truck, the JPS, Lotus Esprit, Mazda Repu. Now I'm going to buy the Asada car and this Toyota 4Runner. So, and in goes the money, so I press number 45 and number 53. Now the DTM Mercedes is also very nice, but today's haul is just these two. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.